stuck, sober thoughts, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? 'Cause it right, self-care, self-love, selfish, self-care.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila Simone here, and thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. A lot has transpired in these last few days. Don't even get me started. All I can say is God is good and I have no complaints. Anyways, in today's video, we are going to be playing around with the new Norvina palettes, which include Norvina Volume 2 and also Volume 3. Funny story on these two palettes right here. My mom and I actually traveled all the way to Cincinnati, Ohio to get them. That certainly was a little extra, but Norvina said she was going to release the palettes on like the 26th or something like that. So when that date got here, I called all the Sephoras here in Indianapolis, which is where I'm located right now. Nobody had it. So me and my mom ended up saying, let's go on Sunday to Cincinnati and get the palettes. So girl, we traveled about 2 hours to Cincinnati to get those palettes. And I actually vlogged a little bit of it. I'll probably put that vlog up like sometime this week or next week. I don't know. It's just a little choppy, but I know you guys have probably already seen them, but I showed you Volume 1 already. So right now I'm going to show you Volume 2. She is gorgeous. So that is Volume 2. So pretty. This is Volume 3. These palettes are so much more neon and vibrant in person. Recording from my phone right now. This is Volume 2. So pretty. And then this is Volume 3, which is even prettier. Like, I did not think I was going to enjoy this palette as much as I have been, but this palette is gorgeous. Like, this is so neon. My skin literally hates me right now. I think what's really going on is I'm trying out some new skincare products and some vitamins for the skin. So I think my skin's like rejecting it, like, whoa, what's going on? What are you doing? But we're not even going to talk about that. We're just going to cover it up with makeup, okay? Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the ABH primer and prime my lids. I thought P. Louise was like the only primer I would ever use. But you guys, this primer is not to be played with. I'm just gonna pack that onto my lids. Off camera, I came up with this look right here. I'm sure you guys are wondering under this eye, what is this? This is just setting powder. I just put it here because it makes it a lot easier to clean up the fallout from the glitter. So the first palette I'm going in with is the Norvina Volume 2 palette. And I am going to be using that beautiful hot pink shade from this palette, which is called D3. I'm gonna use that as my first transition color. Just going to blend that out. So pretty. This is not purple in my crease. This is actually this deep green shade right here in the shade E3. I'm not completely sure how it turned out looking purple. I guess because I mixed green and pink. Really quickly, that's a good question. Really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and Google search what colors do green and pink make. The red and the pink and the green combine to form gray. It looks purple to me, but this is the type of green that I'm using to put in the crease right here, and I'm just going to blend that in. I actually wasn't going for a pink and purple look today. That's just kind of what happened. I kept having to start over again because, why is it not in focus? I kept having to start over again because my eyeshadow was not, it was pretty, but it wasn't matching my sweater. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow primer again, and I'm just going to pat it. And I'm going to stop it about right there. So now I'm going in with the Norvina Volume 3 palette, and I am going to use this peach shade right here, which kind of matches my sweater. This is in the shade E3. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take some Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this on my eyelid so that I can apply a glitter. And the glitter that I'm using is actually the new ABH glitters, and this one is in the shade Carnival. Super pretty. So pretty. Now I'm going to take my ABH eyeliner and I'm going to draw on a wing. I'm still trying to let my lashes dry a little bit. Today I'm going to be using the ABH foundation, and I know it's pretty luminous. I'd say this is a pretty good match for me. This is definitely my winter color, given that it is so freaking cold outside. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 385. Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. Oh, y'all, my arms hurt from blending so much. Oh my gosh. First, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder to set right here under the eyes, because it's more like my skin complexion. And then I'm gonna go on top with the Anastasia Deep Peach setting powder. This is actually my mom's. Thank you, Mom, for letting me use this for my makeup tutorial. I'll give it back. Okay. Like so. And then we're gonna set forehead, chin, and then we're gonna sweep all this off. So now I'm taking my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to use this to contour. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to clean up this contour just a little bit. This off with my brush. I'm going to take this shade right here called D5, and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line right here like so. Just stamp it like so. Kind of letting it act as an eyeliner. Take this shade right here called D5, which is right here. It's so pretty. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on a flat brush, and then I'm going to spray the brush, some setting spray, and pop it right here in my inner corner. I'm using the Milani Coral Cove blush, of course.
Care who you with or what you're doing, I'm doing it right. Self-care, self-love, selfish. Self-care, self-love.
Okay, guys, so I think I'm not feeling the colorful lip combination with the bright eye. I think I'll just do the e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. I think this is what I'm gonna do. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Before you go, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, girl, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.